Hello children, very good morning. Hope all are well. Today's topic is structure and types of leaves. This topic taken from class 4 for CBSE pattern, and welcome to our science fact channel. And please contact with me this email amitakumar225@gmail.com. So this is a diagram of leaf. Here firstly I had already drawn here. This is a diagram of leaf. You can see this diagram. This is a petiole, base, primary vein, leaf blade, apex, lamina or blade, secondary or lateral vein. You can easily draw. And without any wasting time, let's start. So before we start this topic, please I request you subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming notification with knowledgeable topics class wise. I had already taken this video and very little content included this channel. So this is a describe of leaf, structure and types of leaf. Okay, so start. In previous session already discussed about leaves and its structure. Here discusses about structure and types of leaves. Leaf is a flat, thin and green in color. It is called the kitchen of plant body as it prepare food. Okay, leaf is a flat, thin and green color, and it is called the kitchen of the body as it prepare food. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Okay, so leaf is a flat, thin and green in color. Leaf is a flat, thin and green in color. It is also called the kitchen of plant because it prepare food for the plant body as it prepare food. A structure of leaf. This is a petiole. Here we can see this diagram. This is a petiole. This portion is petiole. Stalk of leaf. Okay, this is stalk of leaf. Lamina or leaf blade, the broad expanded part of leaf. This is a broad and expanded part of leaf. This is called lamina or blade. Okay, lamina or blade, the broad expanded part of leaf. Okay, the broad portion of leaf and expanded and green color portion of leaf, we can say a lamina or blade. This is a diagram of leaf. You can see this part of leaf. This is a called lamina or blade. This is a very broad and flat and green color portion. Okay, and next midrib, the central vein of the leaf. This central vein comes from the base of the leaf. This is a central vein and also called is primary vein. Okay, this is a central vein or also called primary vein. This is comes from leaf base and reach to the apex of the leaves, this portion. Okay, so midrib, the central vein of the leaf, also called a midrib and primary vein. Okay, veins, network of branches arising from the midrib. What is the veins? Here we can see this diagram. Network of branches arising from the midrib. This is called midrib. Network of branches arising from the midrib. This is called vein. Yeah, we can say here the network of lots of veins comes from the central vein or midrib. This is called veins. Okay, so network of branches arising from the midrib. Okay, so this is a structure of leaf, easily defined here in a very easy, use a very easy language. You already describe in easy ways and you can write down in this content. So next we will types of leaves. This is taken from class 4 with CBSE pattern, and welcome our science fact channel. So this is our email address. You can any inquiry in this email. Okay, so let's start. Simple leaf and compound leaf. This topic for little children which is studying in class 4th. Okay, simple leaf and compound leaf. Types of leaf. Here, firstly we can see here this is a simple leaf diagram, oak leaf or maple leaf. Example, oak leaf or maple leaf. This is a simple leaf diagram. Simple leaf blade connected by a petiole to the stem. Simple leaf blade. This is a broad portion, broad and green color portion having a expanded form. This is attached by a petiole to the stem. This is called simple leaf. Okay. So simple leaf blade connected by a petiole to the stem. Example, oak leaf, maple leaf. And then again we will come compound leaf. Leaf blade is divided into number of small leaves. Leaf blades divided into numbers of small leaves. I had already drawn here. This is a compound leaf diagram. Compound leaf. This is a compound leaf diagram. Leaf blade is divided into number of small leaves to form leaflets. This is a leaflets. They are attached by the petiole to the stem. Example, rose leaf. Okay. So what is compound leaf? Leaf blade is divided into number of small leaves. Leaf blade divided into number of small leaves to form leaflets. This is a leaflets. Okay. They are attached by a petiole to the stem. Example, rose leaf. So this is a types of leaves. You can note down this content and draw in your notebook this diagram. Very simplest way of draw here, and this is a structure of leaf. Okay, so we will finish this video, and in previous video link I will put up in this video description box. You can easily find out, and any comment, any message, drop my description box and enjoy with this video with little included with little content for class 4th, 3rd, 1st to 4th, taken from the class 4th and with CBSE pattern. Very easy language used to. Please be safe, take care, stay in home, God bless, and please subscribe, like and more, share and press button for next notification. Thank you. God bless.